Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Tiffany and this is Taste with Tiffany. Today I'm going to be taking you through how to cook a salmon fillet. So I've had a load of requests through about how to properly cook salmon. How do you actually cook salmon without overcooking it? Do you cook it without undercooking it? Because it's a fillet, it's hard to see what's going on inside. So what we're going to do today is we're going to take this lovely fresh salmon fillet and we're going to pan fry it. So I'm going to show you the easiest way to do this and it's going to be absolutely delicious. Salmon is so good for you. It's high in protein, it's also high in healthy fats, high in omegas, and it's delicious as well, let's face it. I'm looking forward to cooking this for you today, so let's get started. This is VoiceOver Tiffany, and so today we're going to be pan frying this beautiful fresh Norwegian salmon fillet. The key is to use really super fresh salmon, as fresh as you can get. And today, for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to be using some very simple seasoning, which is olive oil, salt, and black pepper. But please don't forget, guys, you can use whatever kind of seasoning you like. I've got loads of different marinades and sauces that I like to use. You can use Cajun spices, you can use turmeric, you can make it Indian inspired, you can do so many things with salmon. So now we're going to put our salmon into a hot pan. So I had this turned onto temperature 7 on my hob, which is out of 10. So you can see it's quite a high heat. Just place the salmon skin side down and then leave it. The total cooking time today is going to be 7 minutes. So this is around about 3 minutes in, where you can see I'm testing with my spatula to see if the salmon is coming away from the pan. It is. That means the skin has started to crisp up. Fantastic. We're going to flip it once and then we're going to leave it. Obviously this is sped up, and then we're going to flip it again and see how beautiful that looks. The key is with salmon, don't play with it too much, just leave it in the pan and it will cook by itself. And you can see we're going to open it up a little bit here just so you can see the inside and see what's happening. See how that is cooked all the way through. I hope you enjoyed my how to cook pan-fried salmon fillet. If you try out my method for how to pan-fry salmon, please do leave a comment down below and let me know how you get on with it. I am going to go and enjoy my salmon fillet now. As you can see, I have cut it in half. It was quite a big piece. Thank you so much for joining me. I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave me a comment down below, hit like and consider subscribing. I would love to see you here again for more recipes and videos like this. Thanks so much, guys. Bye. Is this going to focus? No. Oh.